It's time to finally take down these braids. Hey beautiful, welcome back to Aria's Lifestyle TV, your go-to destination for everything hair care, hair tutorial. So sit back and let's get into what I have for you today. On today's episode, we're embarking on a journey. A topic I would love to discuss because it's so close to my heart. It's transitioning to natural hair. To take down my hair, I'm going to be adding a leave-in conditioner to my spray bottle. This is Nature's Gentle Touch Intensive Leave-in Conditioner. This is the first time I'm getting this brand product, and I think I like it so far because it's lightweight and it leaves my hair shiny and very soft. So it's really going to do the work that we want it to do at this time that I want to take my hair down. So I'm just going to put a little bit, cover this back, shake it. Yeah, our tonic is ready, don't mind me. So if you've ever contemplated embracing your natural hair journey, or you're already on your way to that adventure, stick around because I've got all the tricks, the tips, everything you need to know, and a bit of my personal experience coming your way. But before we dive into it, hit on the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up. Let's celebrate the beauty of our authentic self. Let's kick things off a bit with a little heart-to-heart talk. So guys, I was this close to relaxing my hair at a point. I'm not even going to kid you. I think I said this in one of my videos. A lot of silky hair, slick straight, all those very nice silk press styles were just entering my eyes, and honestly I wanted to do away with my natural hair. But deep down I knew that I wanted to actually leave my hair the way it was. It was just me trying to explore, and eventually I really didn't see the need to. So I held back, and trust me, it has been the most amazing decision I've made concerning my natural hair. So if you ever had a moment of doubt at one point in time about your natural hair, trust me, you are not alone. We've all been there. It's just a phase that you have to get through it. So it's just about embracing those beautiful decisions, right? And staying true to ourselves. You guys, I thought that stylist mistakenly, cut my hair short, but I'm not sure. I don't know. All right, let's move on. So let's get a bit more scientific. That line of demarcation where your natural hair meets the relaxed hair is very, very crucial. You really need to be gentle around this area so that you can minimize breakage. Use protein treatments. This strengthens your hair a whole lot. As your hair is gradually growing, you need to strengthen every strand of your hair through protein treatment. Understanding your hair is the first step to mastering your transition. This is the phase where patience becomes your best friend, because at this stage you really want your hair to grow back, but you really need to be patient. These things take time, and with time your hair is really going to flourish. Keeping your hair moisturized is like giving your hair a big refreshing drink. Another tip I am going to tell you is invest in satin bonnet or satin pillowcase. I'm not going to lie to you, I don't use a satin pillowcase, but I do have a satin bonnet. Before, I didn't really know how crucial and essential it is. If you use the regular kind of bonnet, when you sleep at night, your hair gets dry as a result of that, but using a satin bonnet will help you to keep in the moisture that your hair has. And trust me, overnight this will keep your hair healthy and happy. You guys, I got a detangling brush. I don't know if I'm late to this group chat, but I always see this online and other naturalists who use it, and I feel like, okay, let me get it and show you guys if it's really worth it or not. I'm going to make sure to really moisturize my hair very well before using it. And let's see what we have. We'll start with the tip. Whoa. Okay. Guys, do you see how it's just... No, stop it. This is really nice. Let's try it here. Well, guys, coupled with the fact that I really moisturize my hair, this detangling brush is giving. Guys, I recommend that you get a detangling brush if you have not. Who's said you can't find magic in your kitchen. DIYs are the real deal, trust me. I mean, go to your kitchen, whip up some protein treatments. We have lots of DIY masks you can make at home that will help show your hair some love. We have avocado mask and also aloe vera leave-ins. These products are budget friendly and they're also very good for transitioning hairs. They will help to grow your hair, give you the needed protein for your hair to grow and flourish so well. You guys, I just realized that I have been talking and I have not been filming. And how bad can it get? Anyways, so what I was trying to say is that wigs and extensions are your secret weapon. All right, I'm not going to gatekeep for you guys. At the point that I was not doing braids, I mean all this Ghana weaving, I was making use of wigs more, yeah, because I could experiment with my hair with flat twist, mini twist and all of that and still put on my wig and I'm still going to slay. So the reason why this is good for you is that not only are you giving your hair break from the constant manipulation that your hair goes through, you're also getting a chance to experiment with different styles and lengths while your hair does its natural things. Or you do a flat twist and you get an extension at the back, maybe a coily extension. I'm giving you guys inspiration, so start noting it down. I have a tutorial of a style I made. The back knot in front and I added extension at the back. I mean, that's just an example of the kind of style you can experiment when you're in your transition stage. All right, let your hair do its thing and your hair will be thriving and doing so well. Let us be real with ourselves, guys. Transitioning isn't just about the physical change, it's also an emotional journey, because it's at this point you are going to be thinking to yourself, oh, why did I cut my hair? Why did I transition? Why did I do that big chop? So take a moment for a mental health check. Also surround yourself with a positive hair community. Talk to people, talk to like people that also transition into natural hair. There are so many ones online on Facebook or on Instagram. Follow these people that also transition into natural hair. It's going to help you learn more and understand what your hair needs. I'm not saying copy everything you see on social media or online and make do of it on your hair, no, but it's just a time for you to experiment, check out what works for your hair. I mean, you just understand it, listen to what your hair says. Like I said, not everything you should use on your hair, just stick to what works for you. And don't forget that your mental well-being is just as important as your hair health. Honestly, I would love that we uplift each other in this process and journey of self-love. So don't think too far. Now that you're seeing me like this, I had to go off camera to take off the remaining braids, and yo, this is the amount of shed hair I had after detangling and all of that. It's actually not bad, and thankfully I had to really moisturize my hair while I was on that style, so take that as a bonus tip. And there you have it, my lovelies. Transitioning into natural hair is a beautiful journey of self-discovery. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and hit on the subscribe button, and don't forget to share your transitioning stories in the comments below. Remember that your curls are unique and beautiful. So until next time, stay fabulous, stay true to yourself, and let those curls of yours shine. Bye bye.